right, so I'm getting ready to clean my oven, and Easy Off is my go-to cleaner. So my oven is just very dirty. So I'm gonna shake this really good and pop the lid, and then I just spray this thing. And just get it all clean. Okay, so I have it all sprayed and everything. And then in the morning, I will wipe it off. All right, this part is the satisfying part. So I got a warm washcloth. And I'm just gonna take this. And you see how it just wipes off? Oh, yuck. Look at that. It is beautiful. Oh, I love this stuff. It works like a charm. So, you see all this nastiness. It literally just melts off. Like, I love it. Like, look at how clean. Got that, I just wiped off. And then I will get on to this side. But you guys, like, it literally just wiped. I'm like literally just wiping this. I mean, seriously? Okay, so it literally is a brand new oven. It is all nice, shiny. There's nothing on the bottom, no dirt. Then I am getting ready to get this all clean, but you can see like where the water splattered, how it's just melted off this nastiness. So I'll show you. So it literally just wipes off. Like, that's not even scrubbing. It literally just wipes off. Okay, it is all nice and shiny and clean. Like, these are just like old, like scratches, but I mean, it is beautiful. All right, my oven is officially done being clean. I love it. Feels so good to have a clean oven. Love it, love it, love it.